Hello loves, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed my series. This is the last video in my summer entertainment series, and this is my buffet to go. If you have not seen the others, I will link that in the iCard above. Most of you know who's been with me a while that I like to give parties and events, and know that when I have those events or parties, I set up my buffet on my kitchen island. We are at my kitchen island, and these are the drawers that's up under the kitchen island. My island is pretty large for those of you who have not been with me a while. It's about 11 feet long and about 5 and so feet wide. So it's pretty significant to hold a large buffet. Today we are going to talk about the buffet to go, and basically it's an area that my guests can go to when they want to take food, or I beg them to take food. So let's see what we have in our drawers. This is just to show you what I have in my buffet to go. You don't have to follow this model. You can fit the way you entertain or how you want to set up your buffet to go. It's up to you. I'm just giving you some tips and some ideas that can lead you on your way. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to say to you, if you want to set up a system like this in drawers, make sure you have drawers that are deep enough and wide enough to be able to hold the items that you need in here. And also I separate my lids and bags and things of that nature from my containers. It's easier to organize it this way, and also is more convenient for my guests to find things. So here in the first drawer holds my lids, bags, and boxes. Right here in the front, these bags came from Amazon. They can be used as a gift bag, and in this instance, I'm using it as storage bags for any small containers that my guests want to take with them. It's convenient, it has a handle, and they can easily take it with them. So if you want to get bags like this, make sure it's easy to carry for your guests. Next, we have lids. Both of these came with containers from the Dollar Tree. These are great containers, and the lids are fabulous. They hold the containers tightly so your food won't spill. A variety of sizes, so they can have small or large. So keep that in mind if you want to do this. Make sure there's a variety of sizes of containers available for them to use. Then we have these plastic bags here. I can't remember where I purchased these. I don't know if it was at a party store or Amazon. I'm quite sure you can find them. They're used as dessert bags or gift bags or what have you, but they're nice plastic bags that they can use for any dry goods like cookies or things in that nature. In here there's 25 in a pack, and I can't remember where I purchased it from. If I find something, I will put it in the description box below. Next, we have these boxes. These came from Amazon, I believe. They hold up to about 4 cupcakes or any other dessert cake, slices, what have you. But I use this for my desserts, and I make sure that they're big enough that they will hold desserts. Lastly, we have lids to go with some small sauce condiment containers, and these are great because so far I have been using these, or my guest has been using these, and they don't pop off. They hold the container pretty tightly, and I purchased these from Amazon. Lastly, we have this container here that I painted white. This was just your aluminum sheet box that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I buy these a lot. I keep these stored, and I hold my plastic grocery bags in here. These are great to fill their containers in, and they won't spill. So make sure when you choose these grocery bags that there is any holes or tears in here when you fold them up, because you don't want to have any accidents on their way to their car carrying their items. So that's what we have in the first drawer. The second drawer holds all of my containers that goes with those lids that were in the first drawer. Right here in the back is where my condiment containers at, and I made sure that they were large enough that they were able to store any kind of condiment or liquids in it. And the lid, you have to make sure that the lid fits snugly on here and they don't pop off. So far I like these. I haven't heard any accidents in that nature with them popping off. Next, we have these nice styrofoam containers. These came from Dollar Tree. And I like these because they have 3 compartments that separates the food, so when they take them, they don't shift and mix into each other, and they close nicely with a nice tab closure that will lock these. Now these are not perfect, especially if they overfill the container, so make sure if you have tape or anything around that they can be able to tape or staple these containers closed, because if they overfill these, it will pop open and cause accidents. Now I made sure I had a variety of size containers. These are from the Dollar Tree. These are for large items that they want to put in here, depending on what the event. If I'm Thanksgiving or things of that nature, this can hold all their large meats and things like that. And these smaller containers can be used as sides. They can put their sides in here, or if they don't want a large meal taken with them, this is a great divider for small dinners or what have you. And this last one here, these Chinese boxes, I purchased from Amazon. I will put this in the description box below if I can find it, because I can't tell you how much they cost or how many came in a pack. But I love these. They are great to store casseroles or mashed potatoes or stuffing, anything like that that you want to separate from other items. That's great. And I like these. These hold very nicely for that. And so that is our container drawer. And like I said, I like to separate the two, but you don't have to. You can make this work in one drawer. It all depends on what size that you need for your entertaining and so forth. The last drawer is where I keep items to set up my buffet. We have a frame here where I keep my menus, and this lists all the things that I'm having on my buffet to serve for the occasion. We have vases that I use on my buffet for flowers or some sort of decoration. And lastly, we have different sizes of glass blocks, full size and half size, that I use as risers on my buffet for the food. So that's it for my buffet to go. I hope you receive some ideas and some tips. Start your own. It doesn't have to be this big. You can have something that's inside your pantry that you can easily grab, or you can have something that's portable that you can take out on your porch or anything like that, that you can set up something like this so they can easily access the containers and lids and bags and things of that nature. So I hope you guys enjoyed my series and this quick video. I will see you on the next video, and have a great summer. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!